Hello, thanks for joining me. Today I'll be making a simple salmon salad. Let's get started. I have all my ingredients already cut up and ready to go. I have some celery, chopped up like little matchsticks. Get in there. Come on, come on. I have some apples. I like gala apples. I just cut up into, leave it over there, small pieces. I have some red onions. I have some red bell peppers. Man overboard. I have some bread and butter pickles. Love them. They're so delicious. I'm losing them too. And my curly kale. You know I love my kale. I have some iceberg lettuce. And I have some wild caught pink salmon. Let's just button a little pack, like you can see. Put it in there. I'm gonna add some salt, sprinky dink, and some pepper. And while you're watching me put this salad together, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It would be greatly appreciated, and it will help my channel out so much. Now, I'm using some Italian dressing, Italian house dressing. Of course, you can use any kind you like. Squirt some in there like that. I'm going to put the top on here. Just going to shake that up. Shake, shake, shake. I'm going to add some more. I need to toss that around a little bit. I'm going to give it another toss. We'll be ready. Yum. I'm going to go ahead and add some of this to the bowl. You know, I've been nibbling behind your back. It's delicious. Yes, it is. And there you have it, simple salmon salad. Gonna give it a taste. I'm gonna taste it out in this bowl here. The sweet apples and the sweet pickles. That's what makes it fabulous. And there you have it. Hey, thanks for watching. And remember to pray. And then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you. Pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and tap that bell if you haven't, and if you have, thank you so much. Share with friends and family, and comment. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and stay blessed. I love you. Yeah, you. I really do. Make you some of this salad. Let me know how you like it. Later.